All right, let's fire up our creative energy. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved Pokémon out there, the victory Pokémon itself, Victini. So whether you're a pro artist or just starting out with a fresh sketchbook, we're going to break down everything you need to know.
I mean, right off the bat, you just have to love that title, the Victory Pokemon. It's not just a cute name, it's the whole concept. Victini is said to create this infinite positive energy, and it shares it with anyone it touches to make sure they succeed. Just think about that for a second. It's basically a walking, talking good luck charm. So how do you even begin to capture something like that on a page? Well, that's exactly where we're going to start. And that powerful idea leads us right here, to the allure of victory. What is it about this tiny, energetic creature that just makes artists want to draw it? It's way more than just a cute design. It's about the feeling it represents. So let's really define this. Victini is this super unique fire psychic type that literally is the embodiment of winning. That infinite energy inside its body isn't just a superpower, it's the core of its entire personality. And for us as artists, that right there is the key. That's what we need to tap into to really capture its essence. Okay, so to really draw Victini, you first have to see Victini, you know what I mean? And that's what this next part, Anatomy of a Champion, is all about. We're going to break down those key features that you absolutely positively have to get right. Just look at how these three things tell a complete story. The vibrant colors, that's pure energy right there. The small, kind of humanoid shape makes it feel friendly and relatable. And of course, those huge V-shaped ears, they aren't just for show. They're a built-in, constant victory sign. It's honestly just brilliant design.
All right, theory's great, but let's get practical. In this section, we're giving you the creative blueprint. Think of this as a simple 5-step guide that'll take you from a totally blank page to a finished piece, no matter what your skill level is.
So here it is, the whole creative process laid out nice and simple. You start with research, see what's out there. Then you get creative and explore ideas in your sketches. After that, it's all about execution with your tools and colors. And those final touches, that's where the magic happens, where you add that little spark of life. It's a roadmap anyone can follow. So, you've got the fundamentals down. Now what? Well, this is the really fun part. This is where your own voice as an artist comes into play. In finding your style, we're going to check out 4 really popular interpretations just to show you the incredible range of possibilities out there. First up, we've got the cartoon style. This is that official look and feel you see in the games and the anime, you know, the big expressive eyes, the bright, clean colors, and just a ton of energy. This style is all about optimism and fun, perfect for highlighting that playful personality Victini is famous for. Now, let's just do a complete 180. Let's talk about the realistic style. This approach basically asks the question, what if Victini actually existed in our world? Artists who go this route focus on incredible details, like the texture of its fur or how light might actually glow from its body, with really dramatic, cinematic lighting. It creates this sense of awe and power, giving Victini some real weight and presence. And if you just want to crank the cuteness style all the way up to 11, well, there's the chibi style. By simplifying the details and really exaggerating that head-to-body ratio, you instantly get something that's just impossibly adorable and charming. The story here is pure joy. This style is absolutely perfect for things like stickers, icons, or keychains. And finally, for maximum creative freedom, you've got the abstract style. With this, you're not so much drawing Victini as you are drawing the feeling of Victini. You're telling the story of victory itself. So think bursts of orange and yellow energy, swirling psychic power, and maybe just the hint of a V-shape through motion and color. It's really cool. Okay, so we've covered the how and we've talked about the what style. Now let's look at some fantastic examples that put all of these ideas into practice in our very own gallery of icons. So the original guide actually has a top 10, but we've boiled it down to the top 4 that really represent the core styles we just talked about. Each one of these is just a masterclass in capturing a totally different side of Victini's character. And you can really see that incredible range on full display right here. You've got the official art's classic victory pose, which is pure symbolism. Then you have a hyper-realistic version that makes it look like it could jump off the screen. The chibi mascot is all about charm and appeal, while the abstract piece is just raw, uncontained energy. And here's the most important takeaway. There's no single right way to draw Victini. The best version is the one that expresses your idea. This quote from the guide really just hits the nail on the head. When you combine an amazing visual design with a really powerful, positive concept, well, that's just an irresistible mix for any artist. It's a character that's basically begging you to be creative.
So we've explored its core design, we've walked through a step-by-step process, and we've seen a bunch of incredible styles. The blueprint is officially yours. So we'll leave you with this question. How will you illustrate victory? Get out there and have fun with it.